Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play Meccha Chameleon with your friends. This is a quick and easy tip on how to do it. So in your Meccha Chameleon, go ahead and create a server for a private one. If you just want to go ahead and do a session with your friends and all that on how many players you just want, just go ahead and type in your display endgame and your server name and make sure you let your friends know what is the specific input that you did, even for password. So for more security, so you only have your friends, just put in the max players. Just go ahead and create server, and there you have it. You have your private endgame. And let's say you have your friend waiting for you, and this is his POV. Go ahead and make your friend click on find server and click on find private server. So over here, this is the reason that you have to tell your friends your details to make them search for the server. Just click on the search server and make sure every detail is correct. Once you find the server, just go ahead and click join. And if you guys want to play on a public server but still together, just go ahead and click on find server and then find public server. Make sure you have the same tags for region and server tag. Let's say you guys are on Asia and no mod. Just go ahead and search public service and click join on the same name, and you will be playing together with your friends. That's it for Mecha Chameleon tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.